I have more than 25 years in SAP business, which means from the strategic planning to implementing and operations. And since almost 3 years now, I'm the head of SAP Application Lifecycle Management at Swiss Krono Group. And within this role, I'm responsible for our entire SAP landscape, which include on-premise and cloud solution. Swiss Krono is a Swiss company in a private hold company, and we are specialized in a wood-based material, which means flooring, building materials and furnitures. We started already 3 years ago as an early adopter to activate all the functionalities of Cloud ALM, and we were looking for some use cases we can use already in Cloud ALM, and beside this we are just continuing with change request management and some monitoring parts in the solution manager until we really plan the transition path to Cloud ALM. Besides using the solution manager, we also investing a lot of effort to implementing SAP Signavio and in the future as well as LeanIX, because we are really focusing on the one integrated tool chain. And we are expecting that we are ready to move from solution manager really to Cloud ALM starting from 2026. And our main goal is really that integrated tool chain with processes and the learning and all the ALM capabilities to have in one tool chain integrated. It comes with automations, with all the best practices and methodologies and it supports also the SAP Activate methodology and also the clean core activities. For us, it's very crucial that this Cloud ALM solution is supporting SAP solution and non-SAP solution, and that we really have cross-project analytics, and it will really increase the transparency. It really brings together our IT staff and our lines of business as well as external partners. And that is really cost efficient because we don't have to use any additional tools. The seamless integration between all the tools like Signavio, Cloud ALM, LeanIX and SAP Enable Now would complete the one integrated tool chain, because for us integration is a key.